10-inch jet horizontal bandsaw. This unit can be wired 110 or 220, single phase only. Currently it is wired 110. This unit here, it does have different speeds on it. Get your different speeds, take the cover off the back, and you will switch your belt up on the pulley to get your different speeds. The different speed ranges that this does go is 75 feet per minute, 121 feet per minute, 190, and 305 feet per minute. So you want to make sure before you start the machine, you always have the guards on. While we're back here, if you come back here and you look, this is a new ram that's on here, all new oil in here. It came in, it had a leaking cylinder, so we replaced it. If you come around over here to the front, I'll show you inside of the wheelhouses. All the pulleys are in really good shape. You can see. Never start the machine with the guards up. Now this machine does have a safety feature. As you can see right now, I'm hitting the on button, nothing is happening. The arm has to be up off the micro switch for it to start. This right here sets your rate of your arm falling. This knob is a little on the touchy side. It'll go real slow, then you'll turn a little bit, then it'll go real fast. It does still work. Today we're going to test this unit by cutting a piece of stock. Going to close your valve all the way so when you put your arm up, as you can see the arm stays up really, really nicely. This lever right here works your clamp. Put our stock in here. Put another clamp. We're going to bring the arm down until we almost touch off. Now this unit does have coolant, but we're not going to be using coolant today. I'm just going to stand here by hand and squeeze a little bit of coolant on it as the machine is running. So you'll hit your on button when the machine is on. As you can see, the white power button is lit up. Come over here, turn the feed rate on. So you get your desired feed rate. As you can see, it's cutting with no issues at all. I'm actually cutting pretty heavy too. Like I said, it stops when it comes all the way down. The only other issue that I do see with this machine is you can see the saw is on rollers. You come over here and look, one wheel is a little bent on this, but it still works, it still rolls around. This is our jet horizontal bandsaw.